In front of me is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone section at the bottom. When you find it, click on it. Then select device name at the top and type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready, tap on OK in the pop-up and then OK in the other one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!